If you want to make $40,000 a month cold calling motivated sellers, this is the only system you need to be using in 2026 to make a ton of money in wholesaling. You see, it only takes one person and a simple system to go out here and get a ton of money in wholesaling real estate. One person, one data list, and just one simple software will make you $40,000 a month literally on autopilot. The truth is, most people in wholesaling real estate, they just try to randomly pull lists and randomly cold call sellers, and they don't know what's going on, and they're not running a business that is systematically bringing in leads and deals every single month. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna break it all down and share with you my entire guide, how you can do this as a solo operator wholesaling real estate in 2026. No, I don't have a course to sell you. No, I'm not gonna bring you in some special boot camp. I'm just gonna bring you the absolute facts on how you're gonna make all this money wholesaling real estate. You see, this is a system that I use, but I have a bunch of employees and scaled out. So this is just for a simple one-person operation, right? And it's really 5 simple steps, right? So again, step 1 for most people watching this is going to be going out here and just harvesting a bunch of niche data. That is going to be your first step, harvesting a ton of niche data. And again, these are lists that not many people are doing. So again, these are going to be government lists. So this can all be your probates, your pre-foreclosure list from the actual government, right? A pre-foreclosure from the actual clerk of the court. See, most people don't know how to do that the right way. Code violations. If you're a gangster, you can go out here and do some drawing for dollars. Go out here and pull an AI list. And basically what I mean by this is an AI list and what I call a SkyDrive list. So this is a list on a website called xleads.com. And again, this is just the only software I'm going to tell you to be doing today because it's just pretty simple. But if you go to xleads.com, you can get a 14-day free trial and 1,000 phone numbers for free. But what the software has is 2 types of AI lists. So an AI list number 1 is going to be a sellability list. So basically the AI looks at about 1 billion data sets across a zip code, area, whatever you want. And it's going to score it from 0 to 1,000, how likely somebody is to sell that property for a discount. Every other wholesaling software has their own AI like sellability list. This one's the best one I found on XLeads. And what SkyDrive is just going to be some AI drawing for dollars. And frankly, you can go out here and use whatever software you possibly want. As long as that AI drawing for dollars doesn't really matter. But if I go out here like Broward County, Florida, right, you can choose an area and a zip code. So I'm just going to choose like 34953. It's a really good area code for me for wholesaling. This is the zip code to probably do more wholesaling deals than anywhere else. And if you go out here and just SkyDrive the list, right, so there's about 31,000 properties. You can literally go out here, have AI drive for dollars for you, right? So you pull a list. This is a tax delinquent list in Orlando, right? And if you press SkyDrive right here, it's really going to go out here and AI drive for dollars the entire list. And it's going to tell you how ugly the house is from a scale of 0 to 100. So this is a list I already did. You see it's literally AI driving for dollars as we speak. But it's going to go look at a property, for example, this house right here, 503 Carter Street, right? It's just going to look at the piece of land on a satellite view and check it out. For example, this property right here, it's going to look at a live satellite view of the property and scan it from 0 to 100. And it's not going to do anything like crazy special, but it's going to get a lot of the low hanging fruit and really pulling these niche lists, right? Because the average wholesalers aren't going after these type of lists is you're probably going to get around 2,000 properties from a list like this. Now, the whole point here is you're not going to make $40,000 a month just banging 5, 6, 10, 14, 15,000 calls on like a 30-line dialer. Like that way of wholesaling real estate is not working, right? We call it data dumping, and that's just not the way to wholesale real estate. The point is you want to max out your list at 2, maybe 3,000 at the most, because you want to spend about half your time actually pulling the data and then half the time actually calling with this list. And if you just spend all your days on the phone, just boom, 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 you're probably not going to have too much success. So I'll tell you, pull the niche lists. I'd add tax delinquencies. I would add liens, fire damage properties, water shutoffs, right? Any list you get from the government, I'd pull them all in there. I'd add an AI list and an AI drawing for dollars list and a drawing for dollars list. Just harvest as much niche data as you possibly can. Then from there, number 2, you're going to go get it skip traced. So it's pretty simple. Again, you're going to skip trace it right here. Now, I used to say, hey, go to a website like truepeoplesearch.com. But honestly, at this point now at XLeads, even if you're broke, you can literally just get the free trial and you get 1,000 free skips. So I just go out here and get 1,000 free skip trace. It's a lot faster, a lot more accurate. And that's how to skip trace. Now, if you're paying for XLeads, I think it's about $97 a month and you get 25,000 records, skips included every single month, which is pretty gangster. That's just how I'd go out here and skip trace the properties. Now, if you're doing government lists, the reason, again, I recommend XLeads over everybody else, because you can import your list right here and you can import only the street address, right? So if you pull a list like this, where it's only the street address, so I'm going to press next here, you can literally go out here and choose your city. So if I choose like Orlando, Florida, Florida, you can literally import street address only properties, which is really cool. So you have street address only, and if you put the city or the county that the list is in, just only street addresses, it'll go import it for you. Now, this doesn't seem like it's that important or cool, but when you're pulling code violations, probates, fire damage properties, where they'll sometimes only give you the street address, or they might have the zip code absent, or they might have the state absent, or the city, there's zero chance you're going to go out here with any other wholesaling software and just have a street address, the city, and the state with no zip code that it's going to go import the data. So again, street address only importing is right here on X Leads. Then you import it right. You can add it to your list right here, throw it on there, export it, get it skip trace right here. So yeah, you get it for free too. 1,000 free skips is pretty cool. That's how you're going to get the data. And then from there, we're going to start using the dialer and making a system. So to go out here and systematize this and actually make a system, I'm going to tell you is you are going to go out here and get a dialer. Now it's really up to you. There's a million dialers out there. I think Mojo dialer is really cool. It's a triple line dialer. X Leads has a single line dialer. It's a single line dialer. That'll cost you like $30 a month. You can use a triple line dialer that X Leads has. It's about $150 a month. And what you're going to do is, because you're going to call, let's say 3,000 phone numbers, my rule of thumb is for every 100 calls you make, you should rotate the phone number. So doing the math, you should have at minimum 30 phone numbers right here. So I tell you to go out here and buy 30 phone numbers. It's about $1.50 per number on X Leads to buy. So if you multiply that math, it's going to be $45. So if you're $45, you stick to the single line auto dialer and you spent $97 for the X Leads software, you're probably in it $130, probably $175 a month for a system like this. And you should be able to turn that into $40,000 if you know what you're doing. But if anyone in here is telling you, oh, if you're doing that many calls, you don't mean too many numbers. I mean, 30 numbers actually sounds like overkill, but honestly, the phone numbers are the best in the whole industry, so that's fine. These dialers work really well. And the only thing stopping you is if you have a bad phone number, then you're spam likely, you're going to get absolutely killed here. But what's really important here, and this is probably my best advice for anybody looking to do any type of cold calling in 2026, is you need to register your numbers. This is probably the biggest problem with cold calling right now in 2026, is you need to go out here and register your number. And what I mean by this is when you buy these numbers, you can actually go out here to a website and get it removed as spam. So I know it sounds crazy, but all these companies, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, right? They use companies to figure out if a number is spam or not. And you can basically pay off these companies, or at least just tell them, hey, don't make me spam. And they'll actually remove you from being spam. I know it sounds nuts, but like it's kind of hilarious. So the best free way, so if you use Google Voice, right, you're going to do this the free way. I'd go to this website here. It's called Free Caller Registry. And if you decide to call Google Voice or whatever, any of the free systems, I would recommend to go to this just website right here, Free Call Registry. And it's going to kill your spam likely tag and actually give you the best success possible. I'd also go to the First Orion website. You can click it right here. I'd register with them for free. I'd register with Haya for free. I'd register with TNS for free, right? I'd go to all these websites and register them for free. And if you're somebody that has an X Leads account, make sure you go to settings. You go to phone system right here, go to Trust Center, and make sure you register with all these. You don't need A2P if you're not going to be texting, but you can register your CNAME voice, which gives you an outbound caller ID, which gives you way better pickup rates. Voice integrity is going to be big too. It's going to avoid your spam tags and increase your call answer rates. And you can register here to get a caller ID boost and higher answer rates. And you're really basically going to register with the Free Call Registry, and then you're going to register with X Leads so they can submit this so your call rates are boosted. This is the difference between somebody who has like a 10% contact rate and someone's going to be like a 20% contact rate. So your system's going to be really important. So if I'm watching this, I'd probably tell anyone starting out, just get a single line dialer inside of X Leads, get the basic plan on X Leads. Now, if you're looking to get your dispo, get the X plan. If you want more outbound, you're doing like a bigger system with texting, probably the Pro plan would be good too. But get the X Leads basic, get the single line dialer, buy at least 30 phone numbers. You're about $175 a month, maybe get 15 numbers, make it 150. But this is going to be the perfect system for you. Now, with everything all set up here, for you to go ahead and call these leads on a single line auto dialer, you're going to be on step 4, which is just what I call attack, right? You're going to attack the lists. 3,000 calls. Let's say you're going to be making about 40 calls per hour. That's going to be about 75 hours of actual dial time or calling time, which, I mean, if you do that over 4 weeks, it's about 19 hours a week just of calling, probably a little less than that. And that should land you about 1 to 2 deals. Now, I'd probably say with a niche list like this, you're probably going to roughly get 10 to 15 good leads, and you should be able to close 1 to 2 out of those and make about 3 to 4 offers. And these are the rough KPIs of someone actually pulling the niche list. Now, you actually have to pull the data, right? You actually have to pull the code violations, the probates, the liens, the fire damage properties, organize it in the right way, get it skip traced, get it exported, throw it in a dialer, have the good skip tracing, making sure you have the right pickup rates. This is what I found has the best success. Now, on top of that too, you're going to make the calls, but I'd also go out here and if you can drop voicemails, depends on what the dialer you use, X leads, you can do that. Drop a voicemail. Hey, this is Zach. Please give me a call back. And then when somebody calls, you just say, hey, yeah, this is Zach. I don't think I have your address on record here, but I'm looking to buy properties in the area, just seeing if you're looking to sell. Most of them are going to say no, but the whole point is pretty much every 300 calls you make, you should be able to get a yes or a lead, which is way better than someone going out here and calling 30,000 records on like a 15-line dialer where your phone's automatically going to go out here and be spam. Now, if you're somebody who really wants to scale this the right way, which some of y'all want to go nuts, if you want to go number 5, which I usually put scale, and this is optional, but that list of 3,000, if you go out here and just text these leads on X leads, it's about 1 penny per text, and for about $30 extra, you can go out here and text this list. You should be able to squeeze probably an extra deal every other month from that and at least 5 more leads. And that averages around probably an extra 8 to 12K a month in revenue because every other month you're going to get at least one $25,000 deal. So texting these leads too is just going to be overpowered at this point. But overall, guys, that's exactly how it gets started with a cold calling system makes 40 grand a month. The reason it's going to be 40 grand a month and not the average 25 or $30,000 is because this is more niche data, especially if you go harder on the probates and the drawing for dollars leads. And obviously making $40,000 on a deal versus $20,000 has to do with the motivation of the seller and most importantly, if you lowball them or not. And I'm not getting lowballing and making offers, but if you want to go through my entire free real estate wholesaling course, I recommend you go to freewholesaling.com where I teach you how to wholesale real estate step by step completely for free. And like always, guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, go to xleads.com to get a 14-day free trial to X Leads and get 1,000 free skip trace records and go out here and start making a ton of money wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.